What if I told you that you could make $1,000 a day online simply by copying and pasting links from trending Google News stories or viral YouTube videos? Sounds too good to be true, right? Stick with me and I'll prove it's possible. Before we dive into the exact steps, let's talk about why trending content is your golden ticket to making money online. Trending topics and viral videos gain traction fast because they focus on subjects that people are already searching for. The secret to success? Leveraging popular content that already has built-in demand? Check the channel Viral Now, a faceless YouTube channel with over 770,000 subscribers. According to VidIQ, it earns up to $177,000 per month, which breaks down to about $5,900 per day. Or consider this other channel, Bright Side, a massive YouTube channel with over 44 million subscribers. vidIQ estimates that this channel generates between $72,000 and $216,000 per month, translating to a minimum of $2,400 per day. How does this work? These channels don't create entirely original content. Instead, they repackage and repurpose viral topics into their own unique formats. And guess what? You can do the same, without even making videos yourself. With the copy and paste method I'm about to show you, you'll learn how to use trending content from YouTube and Google News to create your own viral material. No need to use actual videos, just their links. Are you ready to unlock this income potential? In the next steps, I'll walk you through how to find viral YouTube videos and trending Google News stories, how to turn those links into high-quality videos in minutes, and how to automate and scale your earnings to $1,000 plus per day. This is not just a side hustle, it's a potential full-time income source. Whether you want to quit your 9-to-5 job, create passive income, or simply earn extra cash, this strategy could change your financial future. Let's dive in and start making money with this simple copy and paste method. Step 1. Finding viral content. The foundation of this copy-paste strategy lies in sourcing highly viral and trending content from YouTube and Google News. The more popular the topic, the higher the chances of your content going viral. Here's how to find the best content to work with. Finding popular videos on YouTube. Since YouTube is owned by Google, it's a goldmine for viral content. The key is to find faceless channels that generate tons of views and revenue without requiring on-screen appearances. Follow these steps to find high-performing YouTube videos. Go to YouTube, use ChatGPT to generate a list of successful faceless YouTube channels. Example prompt: give me a list of popular faceless YouTube channels that generate high engagement. You'll receive a list of niche-specific channels that have massive audiences. Choose an educational or informative channel. Why? Educational content pays more because advertisers are willing to spend more on this niche. For example, TED, a faceless animated channel with over 20 million subscribers. Check the estimated earnings of the channel. According to VidIQ, TED earns at least $5,000 per day. Find the channel's most popular videos. Click on the Videos tab and select Sort by Most Popular. This will display the videos with millions of views at the top. Pick a viral video with 1 million plus views. Choose a video with at least 1 million views. This ensures it's already proven to perform well. For this example, let's use what would happen if you stopped drinking water. This video has over 22 million views, a strong indicator that people are highly interested in this topic. Finding trending articles on Google News. Google News is another excellent source of viral content, especially for current events. Since people are actively searching for trending topics, leveraging these articles can help your content gain fast traction. Follow these steps to find high-traffic Google News articles. Go to Google News or search Google News on Google. Click the first result to enter Google News. Browse through trending categories. Google News organizes its content into different sections such as business, including finance, investments, and stock market trends. Technology, featuring AI breakthroughs, new gadgets and software updates. Sports, covering major sports events and athlete news. And world news, which includes global events and breaking news. Identify an article that's gaining traction. Look for articles with a high engagement rate, meaning lots of shares and comments. Choose topics that people are already searching for. These have higher chances of going viral. Copy the article link. Click on the article. Copy the URL or link. This is all you need to create your content. Now that you've found viral content from YouTube and Google News, you're ready to turn these links into professional AI-generated videos, all with just a few clicks. Step 2. Turning links into engaging videos. Now that you have a viral YouTube video link and a trending Google News article, it's time to transform them into professional videos, all with simple copy-paste actions. We'll be using InVideo AI, a powerful tool that automatically generates high-quality videos with animations, stock footage, and voiceovers. This method allows you to take a popular YouTube video topic and generate an entirely new, original video in minutes, without showing your face or recording your voice. Watch the AI video. For example, the AI generates an animated explainer video summarizing what would happen if you stopped drinking water. A professional AI voiceover narrates the content while visuals appear dynamically. Amazing, right? This entire video was created just by pasting a link. Want to customize it further? Adjust the voiceover, like switching to a deeper or robotic tone. Add text overlays for key points. Change the background music to match the theme. If you're impressed, comment "amazing" below. You can also turn trending news articles into short, engaging videos that grab attention on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Here's how to do it. First, copy the article link. Find a trending news article from Google News and copy the URL. Next, enter the AI command. Type "create a 2-minute video for YouTube" using this blog link and paste the news article link beside the prompt. Finally, generate the video. Click Generate Video. Choose stock media. Instead of AI-generated animations, select stock footage, since it's a real-world news topic. Then watch your AI-created news video. For example, the AI generates a news-style video summarizing the article with relevant visuals and an AI voiceover. The AI can even adjust the tone to match serious, exciting, or dramatic news styles. Want to personalize it? Change the voiceover style, like maybe a British accent, a southern tone, or even robotic. Select different stock footage for a unique look, and hey, add a call to action like "subscribe for daily updates." Why this method works so well? It's fast and easy, no need for video editing skills. AI does everything for you. You also get unlimited content. You can keep creating new videos daily with fresh trending topics. Plus, it's monetization ready. YouTube loves high retention, engaging videos helping you qualify for ad revenue faster. Pro tip: want to go viral faster? Combine multiple news articles into a single video for top 5 trending news stories today. This format keeps viewers engaged and boosts watch time. Call to action, your turn. Drop $1,000 a day in the comments if you're excited to try this AI-powered video strategy. Step 3. Posting and scaling on YouTube. Now that you've created high-quality viral videos in minutes using AI, it's time to upload them to YouTube and start growing your channel. This step is all about optimizing your posting strategy to gain traction, attract viewers, and eventually start earning money online. If you're new to YouTube, don't worry, setting up a faceless YouTube channel is super easy. Follow these steps to get started. 1. Create a YouTube account. Sign into YouTube with a Google account. 2. Start a new channel. Click on your profile icon and select Create a Channel. 3. Choose a niche and name. Pick a name that reflects your content, like Viral Insights for trending news or EduHub for educational content. 4. Customize your channel. Add a channel logo. You can use Canva or Fiverr to create a professional one. Design a channel banner. The recommended dimensions are 2560 by 1440 pixels. Write a compelling channel description. Explain what your channel is about in 2 to 3 sentences. 5. Enable monetization eventually. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, apply for the YouTube Partner Program to start earning from ads. Need help? Check out the beginner-friendly guide in the video description for a detailed walkthrough on setting up your channel. Posting strategy for maximum growth. Uploading consistently is the key to growing on YouTube. Your strategy will depend on the type of content you're posting. For trending news videos, which are based on Google News content, here's what you need to know. Post frequency 2 to 4 videos per day, the more the better. Video length 1 to 3 minutes. Quick digestible updates. Why? Trending news moves fast. The more you post, the higher your chances of getting featured in YouTube search results and recommendations. Best practices for news videos. Use captivating thumbnails. Add bold text, arrows, or shocking images. Write SEO-optimized titles, for example. Breaking Tesla just announced a game changer. Add hashtags in the description to boost discoverability, such as trending news or hashtag updates. Use TubeBuddy or VidIQ to track trending keywords and improve video SEO. Example, strategy. If a major celebrity announces a big project, post a short news breakdown as soon as possible. If a government policy changes, summarize the impact in a quick 2-minute video. If a stock market crash happens, create a fast-paced explainer. Educational videos, especially those on YouTube, should be posted with a frequency of 1 to 3 videos per week. Remember, quality is always more important than quantity. Aim for a video length between 5 and 10 minutes, as longer videos tend to rank better. Here's an example strategy you can follow. If a TED Ed video on psychology is trending, consider posting a deep dive on the topic, like The Science of Happiness Explained. If an AI tool goes viral, you could post a tutorial or review video, such as How ChatGPT is Changing the World. And if a conspiracy theory video gets millions of views, create a fact-checking or reaction video, for instance, The Truth About the Bermuda Triangle. Patience and growth are the keys to success. Let's be real, success won't happen overnight. Some faceless YouTube channels take months to go viral, while others gain over 100,000 views in just a few days. Remember, stay consistent. The more you post, the more YouTube's algorithm will push your videos. Test different styles. If one format isn't working, tweak your approach. Follow trends by using Google Trends and YouTube's trending page for inspiration. And of course, engage with your viewers, reply to comments, ask questions, and build a community. Potential earnings can be quite impressive. On average, you might earn $5 per 1,000 views, though this can vary depending on your niche. So if you get 100,000 views per video, that translates to $500 per video. Now, if you manage to create 10 viral videos per month, you could be looking at an income of $5,000 or more each month. And to give you some perspective, top faceless YouTubers earn $11,000 or more per month. Let's talk about a success story. There's a YouTube channel called Viral Now, which posts faceless content, and it makes up to $177,000 per month. Imagine earning $5,000 or more per day just by posting AI-generated videos. Ready to start? Let's recap. Here's a quick recap of the steps. First, find trending topics using YouTube and Google News. Second, use AI tools like InVideo AI to create engaging videos effortlessly. And third, post consistently using a proven growth strategy to scale your channel. Your turn. Are you ready to grow a faceless YouTube channel and make $950 or more per day? Drop them ready in the comments. Step 4. Monetizing and scaling. Once your channel grows, you can monetize through YouTube ads. YouTube pays for every 1,000 views, meaning that with enough viral content, your earnings add up fast. However, ad revenue is just one way to make money. Here are additional monetization strategies to maximize your earnings. Monetization methods. YouTube Partner Program, also known as ad revenue. To qualify, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. YouTube pays between $2 to $10 per 1,000 views, depending on your niche. Finance and educational content tend to have higher ad rates than entertainment videos. Affiliate marketing. Promote relevant products in your video descriptions with affiliate links. Earn commissions from programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. For example, if your video is about tech trends, you can link to recommended gadgets, sponsorships, and brand deals. Companies pay creators to promote their products. Once you reach 10,000 or more subscribers, brands may reach out to you. For example, news-related videos can get sponsorships from VPN services or productivity tools. Selling digital products and services, create ebooks, courses, or exclusive reports related to your content. For example, if your videos cover personal finance, sell a budgeting template. Use platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Udemy to host and sell your digital products. Memberships and Patreon offer exclusive content through YouTube memberships. Viewers can pay monthly fees for behind-the-scenes content, private Quandas, or bonus videos. Pricing plans for InVideo AI. Free trial. Try InVideo AI for free and create limited content. Generative plan $96 per month for full AI-powered content creation, including animation and voice-over generation. Stock media plan $28 per month. perfect for news videos requiring professional stock footage. Scaling your YouTube business, outsource video creation. Once your channel is profitable, reinvest by hiring freelancers on Fiverr or Upwork to edit videos, create thumbnails, and manage posting. Leverage multiple channels. Create multiple faceless channels in different niches for diversified income streams. For example, one channel for news recaps, another for educational content. Repurpose content across platforms. Share snippets on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook to drive more views. Convert video scripts into blog posts to attract website traffic and extra ad revenue. This copy-paste method isn't just a side hustle, it can change your life. Whether you want to make $100 a day or $1,000 a day, the only thing stopping you is taking action. So grab your device, start today, and let's turn these simple links into life-changing income. Until next time, keep on growing, keep on